Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to do a crossfade in Vegas Pro and Movie Studio. Now, some of you may not know how to do this, and some editors it's very difficult to do. But with Vegas, it's a snap. So here you have video footage of me rinsing my nose out. It's sinus rinse due to oxygen therapy, all the problems oxygen therapy causes. So just play on it. This is how to clean the nose and sinus out. Okay, so let's get the boring part here. I'm filling the container up. So let's do a split there. Hit S on the key. Split. Let's go where just about returns. Let's get rid of this completely. Let's do crossfade here. You can put the clip back to back like that, but then watch what happens. I have a quick fill machine here. It's a harsh jump. So to make it smoother, overlap these clips. Using the zoom wheel on the mouse, you can bring it a little larger. So let's go over. And this is your crossfade here. Right there. You can change, right click and change the different types of crossfades, but I just leave it at the default. It works fine. Let's play it back. Bottom. I have a quick fill machine here to lean on it. It's a little leggy in the preview window, but that's I have the settings. Go down there and try again. Bottom. I have a quick fill machine here to lean on it. Nozzle. So fades in Vegas Pro and Movie Studio are so easy to do. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price, Natty Design Studio, and Random User 910. You can be here too. Link below.